Hello everyone, welcome back to Artistry Info, and today I'm going to show you where I can find a music that not have any copyright when I use for my relaxation video. So I use one of this website called SoundRaw.io. This is a very good one. I got it from AppSimo and it was like about $50 at that time, and I pay once for use for lifetime. I don't know they have that promotion anymore, but you can check it out to see. But they have this AI music that you can download from them, and they are very decent. I like them a lot. I will leave a coupon below if you guys want to check it out. I don't know if you still have to pay one times price or you have to pay monthly. I just check it out if you wanna take a look and see what is option out there that you have beside the last video that I made, the sound from YouTube, because sometimes sound from YouTube, like everyone go to over there and use that sound a lot. So this one, if you can generate it by yourself, you can generate thousands, hundreds of music from this website. I'm not get paid for it, guys. I just to wanna give you guys a info so you have an option if you wanna choose and using different music or music background, whatever you want. I like using a lot of relaxation music for my video, but if you want to check it out, you can do that too. So you can do that, and all you need to do is like they have styles over here. It's like what kind are you looking for? You wanna ambient, so you click on it, or it's like you want acoustic or comedy, or it looks like this one they don't really have, but I think it's going to have option very soon in the future. Also, the leads over here you can choose from 10 seconds all the way to 5 minutes, and also detail is right here, like how you want your music to be. You want it to be like slow or normal, or you want all of them together, is fine. But if you want only, it's like I want slow for my relaxation music, you can do that. Or what do you want for, like you only want piano or keyboard, or you want just the bass, or synthesize, or whatever you decide to do for your music. But yeah, so and then if you don't want that and you want to like, hey, I want to clear, so just clear all of it and then come back all together, everything's right here, and you can choose whatever style you're looking for. Maybe just ambient piano alone, and maybe over here let's try piano, keyboard, and synthesize, and maybe don't go too fast and just go to the slow and create music. And that's how simple it is for this website to create music. So it's really good. Check it out, guys. I will leave you a coupon below and see if you like it. And if you like it and you want to buy it, go ahead. And if not, totally fine. Just check it out and just have something in your mind. Here you go. This is your sound. What do you think? I think it's great for your relaxation music. Also, they have another one. You can go ahead and click through it. It's really good. It's really slow. It is perfect for you to create a relax or sleeping music or lullaby music. It's really good. It's super slow. Let's generate another one. So, and you cannot own this music. You can post it on your YouTube, Facebook, on TikTok, whatever you want. You need to have a video include with this music. You cannot just have the music alone. That is one of their policies, so just keep in mind. Yeah, so if you want it, all you need to do is like, if you want something like you like this music example, and you want to create something similar, you go and just if you want to add rings, like you want to take off some of the beats and playing around, like add some stuff in it, you can do that too. I kind of like this. See, it's like you can do that. Or if you want something like, hey, I want to create similar music to this because that's what I like, you go ahead and click on here, and it came up with like all this is similar to music, and you can generate like 100,000 of them. They have so many of them. So it's a really good one. So if you want to check it out, yeah. So see, and it will generate very similar, slow, what you're looking for. Okay, and if you don't like that, go ahead and just clear everything, and then you want to have something like chill, and then generate. Here you go. Okay, here you go. Generate with chill bass. See, and all you need to do, if you like the music, you can keep like, and then all you need to do is just download it right here. So alright guys, it's going to be a very quick tutorial to find a music for your video. So I hope you find this video helpful, and it's helpful, give me a like or subscribe so I can find some more tip or some more website that you are looking for your music. And otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful weekend and have a very good subscriber YouTube, okay, and get success whatever you're doing. Well, I love you all, and thank you so much for all your following, liking my video. I really appreciate it. Everything I do, I just feel like, oh, I want to just keep it out there so people actually find something helpful to help them. So I love helping people. So I appreciate that you follow and like and subscribe my channel. See you for the next video. Bye bye.